Assalamualaikum. My name is Samara Ali Uner and our father's name is Shokat Ali Uner. Our caliph is Ghulam Haider and my village is Bachal Jhalujo. I live in Pakistan, Karachi. So, I like to give you an advice that our Murshid Pir Bhagara said in his speech that please educate girls because usually you have seen in many fashions there are girls other than the boys. Example, in your schools there are more intelligent girls other than the boys. Pir Bhagara emphasized that the education is the key to empowering girls and women, enabling them to participate fully in society. He stressed that girls' education helps break social barriers and challenges traditional norms that restrict women's opportunity, that the women get power to change the world. Pir Bhagara highlighted the economic benefits of the girls' education as a means to promote equality and challenges discriminatory participates against votes. Hope you will follow my advice as soon as possible. Thank you so much.